Well, hey everyone. I think it's the afternoon now. But this morning at Kindred Farm hasn't been much fun. Let me just get off of this. How do you get? There we go. Yeah, so we knew the forest was flooding with a lot of the rain we had, but it has been raining way too much today. This is the worst I've ever seen it. This is our forest. So we can't let the cows out. And then this tree fell down on top of the fencing that we just bought. We'll get that fixed another day. And then the water's got nowhere to go, so it's coming into the barn. So our volunteers have been madly trying to figure things out here. We've never had this before, ever. So another challenge because of Mother Nature. And we'll get through it. And I want to show you out here too. I'll start another video.